Hello and welcome back to my English classes. Please do like, subscribe and comment on my channel in a positive way, Mahi English classes. And I have been motivated by your subscriptions, your comments. So thank you everyone. Now today we are going to see class 10th NCERT first poem, Dust of Snow. Dust of snow, what do you mean by it? Dust means परत जम जाना, जैसे घर में धूल उड़ती है तो परत जम जाती है मिट्टी की. इन द सेम वे हियर द राइटर, द पोएट Robert Frost has explained the dust of snow means the layer of snow on the particular things. Okay, now here I will tell you the central idea and the explanation of the poem. Now first we will see the poem. I will read the first paragraph and I will explain you. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Now here the poet Robert Frost says this thing that he went on he was going through the way and a small incident have changed his mood while he was walking on the way. He was feeling depressed and hopeless. जब वो जा रहे थे, he was feeling mentally he was not good. He was feeling depressed. He was standing under a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree क्या होता है? Hemlock tree जो होता है वो क्या कहते हैं, एक पेड़ होता है hemlock के ही नाम से, ठीक है. So while he was standing under a hemlock tree, a crow sitting on it shook the tree and the snowflakes fell on the poet. Means as it was snow गिरा होगा तो पेड़ के ऊपर क्या है, snow drops were there on the tree. And while Robert Frost was standing under that tree, the crow sitting on that tree shook the tree. मीन्स उसने पेड़ को, अब पूरा पेड़ तो वो नहीं हिला सकता तो डंडाल ही हिलाई होगी, तो जब उसने वो डंडाल हिलाई देन ऑल दैट स्नो फ्लेक्स केम ऑन हिज हेड, उसके ऊपर गिरी. दिस चेंज द थॉट प्रोसेसेस टू द पोएट. ठीक है, इस आइडिया ने व्हेन द स्नो फॉल ऑन हिम his thought has changed from depression to happiness. He spent the rest of the day happily. The thought, when the snow fell at him, he felt good. And that happiness, the feeling of happiness, the mood of good in a good way, has changed the idea as he was depressed. We'll see the second stanza. As given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruined. Ruined means जो बर्बाद कर देना, ठीक है. Now he says बर्बाद कर देना गुस्से में, नाराजगी में, इन सब में. When the snowflakes fell on the poet, जब वो snowdrops fall on him, his mood got changed from the state of sadness to happiness. Okay, as he was depressed, he was hopeless. So he was so depressed, but when the snow fall on him, the feeling of that was good and he felt happiness. He felt refreshed, एकदम नया तरोताजा अपने आप को पाया. Early he had been ruining the day. Ruining means tension में, गुस्से में, irritation में he was spending his day. Now he started taking an interest in spending it without any tension. That means the fall of snowdrops on him has changed his mood into happiness. उसके thoughts को change कर दिया, उसके अंदर जो sadness थी उसको change कर दिया. So he decided to enjoy his day in place of ruining his day. This small incident saved the rest of the day from being wasted in disappointment. Means the incident of falling of snow on him has changed the mood into happiness and changed the mood into a good way. Now we will see the central idea of the poem and the poetic devices used in the poem. First, we will see the central idea. Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a simple poem, very simple poem. As I have given you explanation, I think that you must have understood it is a simple poem. You will be able to understand it easily. But symbolically, it has a deeper meaning. Symbolically, उसकी मीनिंग बहुत deep है. It expresses the significance of smaller things which impact our thought processes for the future. Means the expresses the significance of smaller things. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हमारी लाइफ को बहुत इफेक्ट करती हैं. They affect our life. It can change our mood into happiness, or it can change from happiness to sadness. Small incidents change our moods, and these moods effect on our future also. The poet is standing under a hemlock tree. It is snowing. Snow गिर रहा है. Soon a crow sitting on the tree shakes its, and now the snowflakes fall on the poet. This changes the mood, and he spends the rest of his day far from being unhappy and sad. Means here the poem describes this thing, this thing that when the snow falls on him, as he was depressed, he was hopeless, he was thinking that all the negative things were going on in his mind. But the fall of snow on him has changed the thoughts. Means a small incident of falling of snow on him has changed his mood into happiness, from sadness to happiness. Now, what is the poetic device used? The rhyming scheme is ABAB. Symbolism, hemlock tree and crow. The two characters are there in it, the hemlock tree and the crow. Now, irony. A contrast is seen between what is said and what is meant. जैसे हम लोग मुहावरे बोलते हैं ना, मुहावरे बोला वो अलग है, उसकी मीनिंग दूसरी हो गई. तो in the same way, in this poem there is irony, a contrast between what is said and what is meant. It is also between what appears to be true and what is ultimate truth. Means it also shows that the irony shows that what appears to be true and what is ultimate truth. Means वैसे सच्चाई क्या है और वैसे सच क्या है. Rue is also a herb, a plant used for medical. He has given one example, a herb which is called rue, a plant used for medicinal purposes in the medieval times. Medieval times को इस plant को किस way में use किया जाता है? In a medical purpose. The irony is seen in the poet's use of hemlock tree and rue. Means वो भी एक tree है, वो भी एक plant है. Rue is also a plant and hemlock is also a tree. So he has put an irony between these two, between the two trees. Rue possessing poison. Hemlock tree भी होता है, उसमें भी poison होता है, और rue में भी poison. Yet giving the poet much desired happiness. Though the poison is there in those trees, या कभी कभी कुछ चीज़ें, कुछ incidents हमें लगते हैं कि वो बहुत बुरे हुए, लेकिन वो हमें दूसरी चीज़ रियलिटी सिखा जाती है कि उसमें हमें कुछ अच्छाइयाँ मिल जाती हैं. This is the irony in this poem. I hope you have understood the poem. Please do like and subscribe my channel, Mahi English Classes. Thank you.